Ready to plan ahead? Let's schedule a social post so it goes live exactly when you want. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Social. Go to Templates and choose an inspiration template. Then click Create Post. In the editor, click the text section and enter your post caption. Need ideas? Click Regenerate. Then Insert to apply the AI suggestion. Click Schedule, pick the date and time. Then click Schedule to confirm. Review the scheduled previews across Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, and LinkedIn. That's it. Your post is scheduled and ready to publish across all channels right on time. Now, let's turn your best reviews into social posts and share them everywhere in seconds. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Social, then the dashboard. Go to Templates and select Reviews, then click Create Post. Select a review you'd like to showcase, then click Create Post. Click Next, then enter your post caption. Need a boost? Click Regenerate, then insert to apply the AI caption. Click Post Now to publish. Review the live post on Facebook, Instagram, X, Twitter, and LinkedIn. That's it. Your scheduled campaigns and review highlights are now boosting your brand everywhere with just a few clicks.